principal, teachers, and my friends. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Shahid Bhagat Singh, one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga, Punjab, now in Pakistan. From a young age, he was brave, fearless and deeply patriotic. He dedicated his life to India's freedom and fought against British rule. Along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, inspired millions through his courage and sacrifice. On 23 March 1931, he was martyred, but his ideals continue to inspire every Indian. His life teaches patriotism, bravery, sacrifice, and love for our country. Let us follow his values and work for the progress of our nation. Thank you.